Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, connect via wired Ethernet when possible, because stable bandwidth and low latency matter. Once done, update the Xbox app and your client GPU drivers so encoding/decoding mismatches are avoided. Next, sign into the same Xbox profile and enable cloud gaming. This ensures authorization and the proper server assignment. Make sure background apps are closed to free CPU and network, and then launch a cloud game to test connectivity. You now tune the in-session settings to fix graphical issues. In the Xbox cloud settings, pick auto or high if your connection exceeds 30 Mbps. Otherwise, choose data saver to prevent frame drops. Once adjusted, change client-side resolution and bitrate. Choose 720p at 60 FPS for unstable links, 1080p when bandwidth permits, because resolution directly affects artifacts. If you see tearing or stutter, toggle frame smoothing or V-Sync on the client. This trades latency for visual stability, and you complete the repair by cleaning and validating the environment. Restart the Xbox app and clear its cache, then relaunch the cloud session so new settings apply. Make sure to test with another device or network to isolate whether the problem is local or server-side. Switching from Wi-Fi to cellular tethering can help diagnosis. If issues persist, collect error logs, change the Xbox region in settings to force a different server, and report the details. This helps support find and fix backend rendering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.